Time travel. We've seen it in Back to the Future, Interstellar, and Doctor Who. But what if I told you some people think it's not just science fiction? What if there were real cases, real science, and real mysteries that suggest time travel might be possible? Or is it all just fantasy? Today we're diving deep into the question, time travel, real or fake? So first off, let's get one thing straight. Time travel, in the simplest terms, means moving forward or backward in time, just like we move through space. We're all technically time traveling right now, moving 1 second per second into the future. But what we really want to know is, can we skip ahead or go back? In theory, time travel has roots in real science. Einstein's theory of relativity tells us that time isn't fixed. Time can stretch and shrink depending on how fast you're moving or how close you are to a massive object. That means, under extreme conditions, time could pass differently for you than for someone else. So, what does science actually say? Let's talk facts. In 1971, scientists flew atomic clocks on commercial airplanes around the world. When compared to clocks that stayed on the ground, they found a tiny difference. Just as Einstein predicted, time had literally moved slower for the clocks in motion. That's real, proven time dilation. Even astronauts aboard the International Space Station experience time just a little slower than we do on Earth. They age fractions of a second slower. That's time travel to the future. Kinda. But what about the past? That's where things get tricky. The laws of physics allow time to flow forward. Entropy increases, things age, energy spreads out. Going backward, that breaks a lot of rules. Causality, for one. If you change the past, you create paradoxes, like the infamous grandfather paradox. If you went back and stopped your grandfather from meeting your grandmother, would you still exist? Now let's get weird, because some people swear that time travel has already happened. Take the case of John Titor. In the early 2000s, an internet user appeared claiming to be a time traveler from the year 2036. He predicted a civil war in the US, a nuclear conflict, and had detailed knowledge of physics. People were obsessed. Was it real? Probably not. But it sparked a huge cultural moment. Then there are strange photos, like the 1940s photo showing a man who looks totally out of place, sunglasses, modern haircut, logoed shirt, in a sea of people from the World War II era. Some say it's proof of a time traveler. Others say it's just a guy with style. And let's not forget the time-traveling hipster, or the 2008 footage of a woman appearing to talk on a cell phone in a 1928 Charlie Chaplin film. Coincidence? Misinterpretation? Or something else? So, can we ever really time travel like in the movies? Theoretically, yes, but with major limitations. Some scientists propose using wormholes, shortcuts through space-time, as time machines. Others suggest building structures near black holes to manipulate time. But here's the catch. We'd need impossible amounts of energy, materials we don't even have, and tech that's centuries away, if it's even possible at all. Still, researchers like theoretical physicist Kip Thorne think it's not entirely out of reach. If the laws of physics don't explicitly ban time travel, maybe, just maybe, it's waiting for us to discover how. So, time travel, real or fake? Well, time travel into the future, at least by tiny amounts, is real and proven. But jumping through time like Marty McFly, as far as we know, that's still fiction. Still, the universe is weird. Quantum mechanics, black holes, wormholes, we've barely scratched the surface of what's possible. Just because we don't know how doesn't mean it can't ever happen. Until then, the only time machine we've got is the one we're all riding right now, 1 second at a time. What do you think? Could time travel actually be real? Have you heard any crazy stories that made you question reality? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Give this video a like if it made you think twice. And don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing deep dives. Until next time, stay curious.